Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Crypto channel where I talk about cryptocurrencies, crypto airdrop, crypto news and everything in the crypto space. I make a lot of videos every day where I review token and talk about shitcoin, solid projects and everything you guys want me to talk about. And if you check, we're currently 4,441 subscribers. We keep growing every day. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button so that we can hit 5,000 before the end of this week. And don't forget to turn my bell post notification on so that when I drop interesting content, you'll be among the first to see it. And our plan is to hit 7,000 before the end of this month, and we cannot achieve this without your support. If you move close with me, or if you look closely to this computer screen, you're going to see that I've made a video on some token I've reviewed. And right now I was on CoinGecko. I discovered that a particular token was trending on CoinGecko, Brokoli. Brokoli is now worth 1.80 dollar, $1.80. So I'll be reviewing Brokoli, and we have V Empire token, and we still have Power Tool. I'm going to talk about the ones I can talk about among these cryptocurrencies. Now from Brokoli is a token this is the first time I'm actually making a video on Brokoli, but I'm surprised at how much this token has grown and the level the token is. This token is built on the Ethereum blockchain technology. If you look at this place, you're going to see that the market cap is $29 million. Trading volume in the last few minutes is like $3.5 million, and the price is moving steadily upward in the last few hours. That means there must be something that have made this token go up. There could be a news or something, but then I just want to quickly review this token and tell you guys my honest opinion, if you guys can buy it and also you can buy it. Look at this. There's a particular news on coingecko.com on Brokoli. Look at this. Said NYDIG plans to bring Bitcoin to thousands of US. Oh, okay, this news is not on Brokoli. I was thinking it was a news connected to Brokoli, but then it is not a Brokoli news. Let's move forward. Let me quickly check CoinMarketCap and get every information I can get on the Brokoli. Look at Brokoli as at this is when today around 4 p.m. today Brokoli was worth $1.6, and right now it is right now it went as high as $1.8, and currently is now $1.7. If you check the last 7 days, you will see that there has been a movement upward, and it created a very strong high today. And if you check the last 1 month, this high in the last 1 month is like the highest point it has gotten, and this was created today, $1.825. So let me just quickly check through. Brokoli currently is worth $25.69 million. That's the market cap. I mean, not the price. The market cap is $25.6 million, approximately $25.7 million. Let me check CoinGecko if these two market cap correlates, because some of the time these market caps are not always the same. CoinGecko is saying Brokoli worth $29 million, which is slightly higher, but they are still in the same range. If you come here, you're going to see that it has a 24 hours trading volume that have increased 115%, which is a good sign. And this token is up 10%, which means this token might go very high. For people to be searching for this token, and this token has a very high trading volume, it means that people are investing in this token. There could be a news somewhere. I might not have the time to start looking for the news, but you guys can quickly do your own research about this project. And it's currently on the watch list of 1.1 million people, which means 1.1 billion people are aware of this token, and is ranking 2,958 on CoinMarketCap. I need to add this to my watch list, guys. This is how we get our information. This token is a multi-chain token. It has the Ethereum based technology, and it has the Binance Smart Chain. It has been certified, it has been audited and certified by Hacking Audit Company. And this token is a collectible, a DeFi and a Metaverse token. If you come to the overview, let's quickly look at this. You're going to see that said Brokoli is a play to earn and play to impact NFT Metaverse, where climate impact makes you money. Interesting. Your DeFi transaction on Brokoli plant NFT Trees, a tradable asset that earns a passive income. Brokoli Core is for Brokoli Core, environmentally friendly gateway into the most popular DEXs and dApps. Any blockchain platform, centralized or decentralized, can implement our API to allow users to opt into a small climate fee that offsets their transaction footprint. digital forest, and Brokoli Impact. Users receive NFTs based on the trees that they have funded the planting of by using our products and completing our daily quest. Digital NFT forest will be tradable as Brokoli Impact Credits. Corporate and social responsibility standard loosely pegged to real forest and purchased by corporate partners. So this is more of a um, change climate change or a climate impact token that has interest in creating a better environment, a positive environment, you know. And the way it is going, they have built a lot of interesting projects. This is a very solid project, in the metaverse ecosystem where you can create your own trees, and they have a lot of charity going on and corporate social responsibility standard that they intend to actually achieve. So this is not anyhow project. This is actually a very good project that you can invest your money in. And right now this project is doing massive numbers. I'm going to open the link of their official website and tell you guys what I can say. That this website looks cool. Brokoli, the green metaverse, the plant metaverse. I've seen a lot of land metaverse where people have a land and they create their house, they create different stuff on their metaverse, but this is the first one I'm seeing for plant. Yeah, but then guys, this token is a token that I feel you should also put on your watch. You look at the NFTs of this token, so many different NFTs. They look very cool. The website looks beautiful. Um, they have the green DeFi, the green integration, digital NFT forest, make own and sell your impact. You could create your own, design your own plants, trees and stuff like that. So grow your forest and complete your real-time leaderboard. Yeah. Then Brokoli is disrupting the 40 trillion industry. Product, the roadmap. Guys, this is a very good project to invest in, honestly. I feel they have a lot of partners, there are a lot of people backing it, and there are chances that this token is going to go very high. They have a TikTok account, Twitter, Discord group, Medium, and Telegram. These people are really working very hard. The community is 17,298. I'm very confident that this is a solid project, and it's a project that if you have interest in in forest, in plants, in the climate change, environmental interest, you want to invest in the project, a token in these areas, I think this token is a token you can actually put on your watch list or you can invest in. And yeah, the way it's going is a token that has potentials for the future. It has a very good market cap, and a lot of people are watching this project closely. I like the official website. The website looks very good. There's a white paper of this token on CoinMarketCap. I saw it, white paper. I might not be taking my time to review this token. This token has been audited, which means it has been audited. Let me open the link to the auditing. This is not a scam. This is a solid token. Maybe subsequently I'll be trying to look for the news and information that is making this token trend, that people are searching for it. But guys, for the fact that this token is trending, I feel it is worth informing you guys about. You can do your own research and learn more about this project and when to invest, how you can invest, and what the total project is all about. This white paper looks interesting, looks loaded. I may have to take my time to actually read through this white paper. No. Sorry guys, I just yawned. I've been walking around the clock. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting content, you'll be among the first to see it. This is where I'm going to end this video. I don't need to check token sniffer, BSC scan, or every other place I check to review shit coins. This is a very good project, and you guys can actually take note of Brokoli, BRK. Right, bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video.